If you're confused between do and did, listen up. We use do for the present, but for the general present. So something that you do every day, all the time, sometimes. So if you want to ask where someone lives, that's something they do generally. They generally live in that place. Where do you live? If you want to find out if someone's a vegetarian, you can ask, do you eat meat? So do they eat meat generally? If you want to find out about someone's job, you can ask, where do you work? Because they work there every day. Now, did is for the past. The time you mention in the sentence has to be finished. So if you want to know about yesterday, last week, last year, last Friday, we can use did. Did you work here in 2018? 2018 is finished, so we use did. If you want to ask something about yesterday, use did. What did you cook yesterday? Yesterday is finished. And remember, do and did always go together with a verb, not with an adjective. So you can't say, do you happy? It has to go with a verb. Do you eat? Do you live? Do you work?